We're going from this to this to this and to more of this with this. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to use this KuKui ginger leave-in conditioner from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. Now, there is a warning or a caution on the front of this. This product is made with nut oils. Very, very important to anyone who could be allergic to anything containing nuts. So, this does say to go ahead and start off on damp hair. So my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. So I'm going to go ahead and just wet it up a little bit. Soften it up a little bit more because it did dry up a little bit. Now, one thing I like that this product is made with KuKui and ginger. All three of those ingredients are within this particular leave-in conditioner. And if you're not new to my channel, you know I like to style with one product only, especially when I'm trying a product for the first time. And so that's what we're going to go ahead and do here. So the directions on this says apply a generous amount to damp hair, paying close attention to the ends. Watch how this pours out. Okay, it pours out really easily. And then look how it slides down my hand a little bit. So it's not rushing down my hand, but it is sliding a little bit. So this tells me right off the bat, this is a pretty light product. And as I apply this to my hair, it feels light. I'm able to detangle my hair a little bit, and this smells really good too. I love the crisp freshness that the ginger gives this leave-in conditioner. This is definitely lightweight. It feels like I'm just rubbing water through my hair. So this is not thick at all. So I'm kind of wondering what kind of definition I'll be able to get out of this. Now remember, this is a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner is not necessarily made to give you definition. It's made to give you moisture. That's what it's made for. Okay, so as I'm parting out my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and do a flat twist out just to see what it does as far as giving me moisture. If it gives me some definition, that's an additional plus. This leave-in conditioner is lightweight enough, which makes it easy for me to do these flat twists. Looks pretty good to me, and it's giving my hair a little bit of sheen as well. Now this product here, I'll give you a few other ingredients. It starts off with water, of course, and then we have carrot seed oil, sweet almond oil, sunflower seed oil, KuKui seed oil, and some conditioners. Now you see what I mean by nut oils? Okay, one flat twist down. This looks really pretty. Nice, juicy, chunky flat twist. Has a little bit of sheen in it, and it looks super moisturized. So again, I'm only going to use this KuKui ginger leave-in conditioner, and that is it. I'm not even putting oil on my hair, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on with this. Let you see what it looks like. Yeah, y'all, my hands are getting tired. That is why I don't normally do flat twist outs. And also because I can never get the definition the way I want it, but it sure looks good while it's in flat twist. See how my hair just fell down? Yes, this is a lightweight product. It's not greasy either. It's giving me some sheen, but even though there's oils in this, my hands are not greasy. My hands don't feel greasy, and the flat twists are not leaving grease on the side of my face or forehead. As I get towards the back of my hair, this is when I just, I just get the flat twist in the best way I can. It's normally more spaced out, and I normally don't have as much definition in the back because that's when I'm tired. I'm not really trying as hard. You can see these are chunky flat twists, and with my hair, if you've seen any of my previous flat twist out videos, I'll get more definition the smaller the flat twist. So again, what I'm expecting out of this product is moisture. That is what I'm looking for. That and that only. Okay. And here we are the next day. This didn't even take a whole day to dry, y'all. Like I said, this is a lightweight product, so don't expect this to take all day and a half to air dry. If you do air drying, that's what I choose to do, so that's what I did. So I have a little bit of oil here. I'm just just wiping on my head a little bit, and the shrinkage is real as you see. So let's just see what this definition is like. We're experimenting. Let's see what happens. Okay. I'm impressed, but not surprised. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so what I will tell you so far, I'm enjoying this product quite a bit. I can't wait to use this with the Carrot KuKui Ginger Moisturizing Cream. But as you know, as a first try using a product, I normally go in with one product only. So if you want to see me use the Carrot KuKui Ginger Cream next, let me know in the comments. Or if you want to see me use one of the other new products I got from Annabelle's Perfect Blend in my previous video, if you saw that, let me know which one you want me to try in the comments. Shout out to some of the roses who have already put in their requests as to what they want me to try first, and that is why I chose the Carrot KuKui Ginger Leave-In Conditioner. I think I got the most votes for that one. Impressed with the amount of definition I'm getting. Now look at my ends. I am not surprised. This is what always happens to me. Let me know. Do you prefer flat twist outs or twist outs, or just flat twist, or two-strand twist by itself, or do you twist at all? Okay, so I gotta hide these ends. I was gonna go ahead and put this in the puff, which will probably happen later on this week, but instead, you know what, let's continue on with experimenting. Now let's just see what we can create, because I want this definition that you do see seen. So I'm just gonna create some kind of updo with it, something you could wear. Let's say if you were going to a summer dinner party, a gathering, something where you want to wear an updo, and you may have a headband on, or part of your hair wrapped, a cute little hat, a visor, some sort of hair decorations. Maybe you're going to an outside summer wedding. Yeah, updos are good for that too, because you can decorate it. Let's see what we can do. Now that my hair is moisturized, I know I definitely like this product. It smells so good. The scent has dissipated a little bit, but during the night I kept smelling something good, and I was like, what is that smell? And it was my hair the whole time, y'all. It smells really good. It smells like summer. So there goes one style. You know, still got a little bang going, showing off that definition, but your hair is up in the back and off your neck. And that's important in the summertime, because don't nobody want hair on their neck like that. I'll take my fingers and roll it up like I'm using a roller. That's cute. A little faux bang. That's cute right there if I let it just drop. But you know what? I think I'm going to use a bobby pin and pin it up a little bit. Yeah, that's cute too. And let's try to roll it back the opposite way. Now, I bet you if you did your hair like this, everybody be asking questions. How did you? Who did it? How did you get those waves in there? You know those questions. And here, I'm just taking a headband and seeing what I can create with this as well. You know, jazz it up a little bit. So, all in all, I enjoyed this product. Love the smell of it, but don't eat it though. It's good enough to eat, but don't eat it. It smells pretty. And it sure made my hair look pretty. So, let me know what you think. Would you try a style like this? Would you try this product? Giving this one an A+. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. Hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, and give this a thumbs up. I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.